Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is LG refrigerator non-inverter compressor. In this video I will show you how to change oil of this compressor. Let's begin. Here you can see the model number of this compressor. Now I am going to change the oil of this compressor. Take one glass. Here you can see in this compressor there are 3 valves. This is suction line, this is discharge line, and this is the gas charging valve. Using this gas charging valve we have to remove the oil. Let's remove the oil. You have to pour it like this. Like this you have to remove all the oil inside the compressor. You have to tilt it and rotate it. All the oil inside the compressor should come out. I think now I removed all the oil inside the compressor. You can see here the removed oil, the color of this oil. Around this much oil I removed from the compressor. Guys, mainly there are 2 types of oil used in the refrigerator, R600A and R134A. I am going to fill R134A gas to this compressor, so that I have to use R134A oil. If you are filling R600A gas, then you have to use R600A oil only. Guys, you can see here this is R134A oil. Now I am going to refill this. How much oil you have removed, that much oil you have to fill. Guys, you can see the color difference. Guys, to fill this oil into the compressor, you have to use one syringe. If you have bigger syringe, it is easier to fill. Guys, we have to refill the oil from this charging line only. Like this we have to fill all the oil into the compressor. Guys, I completely refilled the oil into the compressor. So this is all about my video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you.